Welcome my YouTube channel GM Updater. The 2025 Lexus GX is a true blend of luxury and capability, offering a refined driving experience while maintaining its off-road prowess. Let's dive into the details of this impressive SUV. The 2025 Lexus GX showcases a bold and commanding exterior design. With its aggressive grille, sleek lines, and muscular proportions, it stands out in a crowded market of luxury SUVs. The redesigned front end features a more angular and modern look, with sharp headlights and a powerful stance that exudes confidence. The updated tailgate and rear design further complement the vehicle's rugged yet luxurious aesthetic. Inside, the Lexus GX continues to elevate its premium feel with a spacious and meticulously crafted cabin. The 2025 model offers a modern, high-tech interior that combines luxury materials such as leather, wood, and metal accents. With room for up to 7 passengers, it's perfect for families and those who like to travel in comfort. The available second and third row seating can be adjusted to provide ample cargo space when needed. The design of the dashboard is clean and intuitive, with a large infotainment display that's easy to use while driving. Speaking of the tech, the 2025 Lexus GX comes equipped with a suite of advanced features designed to keep you connected and safe. The infotainment system offers a large touchscreen interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as available navigation. The vehicle is also equipped with a range of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all contributing to a safer driving experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Lexus GX remains true to its off-road roots. It's powered by a robust 4.6-liter V8 engine that produces ample horsepower and torque, making it more than capable of handling tough terrains and challenging driving conditions. The SUV is equipped with a full-time 4-wheel drive system and a multi-terrain select system that allows drivers to choose the ideal drive mode for various off-road conditions, from mud and sand to rock crawling. The ride quality of the 2025 Lexus GX is exceptional, with a smooth and comfortable feel on both highways and rough trails. The adaptive suspension system adjusts to varying road conditions, ensuring a balanced ride regardless of the terrain. This balance of comfort and capability makes the GX a standout in the luxury SUV segment. Fuel economy in the 2025 Lexus GX is competitive for its class. While it's not the most fuel efficient in the market, it's still reasonable for a vehicle of its size and capability, especially considering its performance on and off the road. Expect to get around 15 miles per gallon in the city and up to 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Pricing for the 2025 Lexus GX starts in the mid-$50,000 range, with higher trims and additional options driving the cost up. While it's not the most affordable SUV out there, it offers a premium experience with high-end features, luxury finishes, and the brand's renowned reliability. To sum it up, the 2025 Lexus GX offers a fantastic combination of luxury, technology, off-road capability, and comfort. Whether you are looking for an adventure-ready vehicle or a refined daily driver, the Lexus GX delivers on all fronts. With its blend of power, style, and high-end features, it continues to be a top contender in the luxury SUV market. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles.